Hey everybody, it's Mike here. I'm going kayaking. Gonna go out for 14 days. Out on the ocean, obviously. On the ocean's edge. You can kind of see behind me. And I'll give you a second view here of basically the whole area. Heading in right there towards that inlet. Jervis Inlet. All the way to the end. There's quite a bit more than what you see there. You'll see it in the footage forthcoming. Middle of nowhere basically. Heading into Jervis Inlet, which ends up in Princess Louisa Inlet. 50 nautical miles inwards, 50 nautical miles backwards. Home, that is. Over 200, well, approximately 200 miles, regular miles, not nautical. Well, I'll let you go. I'll keep you posted on my destinations. Into the clouds, it's my first one. And we will see you soon. Join me on this 14 days on the ocean. British Columbia coastline, Jervis Inlet. There's not many places to camp, I tell you. There's lots of grizzly bears too. See ya.